Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है। आर यू रेडी टू लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन? लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द क्लास, तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी लर्न द नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 9. नाउ वी विल डू some fun activity to learn the number. Are you ready? What you have to do? You have to observe the picture carefully. You have given this picture and you have to observe this picture. What things are in this picture? And what you have to do? You have to count the objects and write their numbers in the given boxes. Are you ready to count the pictures? Let's count. See the first picture. What is this? This is doll. In this given picture, how many dolls are there? Have you saw any doll? This is one and this is another doll. 1, 2. How many dolls are there? 2 dolls. We have to write 2 in this empty box. Write down 2 here. And see the next. What is this? Bag. School bags. We have to find out bags in this given picture. Have you found the bag? This is 1 and this is 2. How many bags are there in this picture? There are 2 bags. Write down 2 in this empty box. Isn't it? Very good. See the next picture. What is this? This is pencil. And we have to find out the pencil. Have you find? This is 1, 2, 3. How many pencils? 3 pencils are there. Write down 3 in this empty box. What is this? This is car. We have to find out cars. How many cars? Is there any car in this picture? Yes, there are many cars. Let's count and let's find 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more car on the cupboard. 5. How many cars? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 cars. Let's write 5 in this empty box. 5. Understood? Very good. And see this picture. What is this? Ball. We have to find balls in the given picture. How many balls are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls. We will write 4 in this empty box. Understood? Very good. And see this picture. What is this? Bat. Is there any bat? Yes, there is a bat. How many bat? 1 bat only. Write 1 here. Have you done? Very good. Is this activity good? Are you enjoy? You enjoy na? Very good. Very nice. So dear students, practice to write from 1 to 9 and do the activity like this. Thanks for watching.